So I'm hoping that you've already signed your contract and you're ready to go. You're looking forward to the challenge. Once in a while, everything about the position is here. We have a group where you receive all the support. You're assigned a mentor who is able to walk you through that journey. So the thing is, how do you start as a digitally fit expert on winning the commissions and the retainers? So first of all is, let me just show you a few stats on how this program is already doing. So what I'm going to do is to log into the admin end. Now guys, there's a lot of money here and you need to be really ready for it. Now let me go to the leads alone. Since we began the project, which was last month, we have a total, look at the monies that people have put in. And now here we are talking about the business team that we have, who are already just 10 people alone. So a total of 18 million have been submitted across, and we are hoping that as you get into the system, you'll also be submitting today, which I'm recording early in the morning, so not yet. Yesterday, a total of 1.7 million of leads came on board, and then this month we've had 9.3 million. This is a number that is just being submitted by less than 30 people. Let me say 20, 30. So I'm looking forward to you guys joining in. So we are going to look at how these stats are improved as the digitally fit expert. You can see here we have a total of 824 businesses. Like, our brand is already well in the market. The brand has a very good, well positioning in the market. And all that is waiting now for you to get in and start working. We want people who start working and producing results. We've lost 147, we've won 293. We rarely lose leads because our concept, if you present it well to any customer, then they would be very excited about it. Look at the leads won and then look at the commissions we've already given, 551,000 to just less than 20 people. These are commissions, by the way. So on top of this, you also have your retainer. Now, what I'm going to do is now take you through now your own dashboard once you've already logged in. So with your login, you'll be logging in and then going into a dashboard like this. So when you find yourself on this dashboard, they know there's a problem somewhere. Yeah, there's a problem somewhere. You do not have, when you log into this dashboard, this one here that says this. So this is the customer. Your customers, our customers, they are logging in and finding this. So you have a different dashboard which you use the account for the digitally fit. The one that has just been created for you is called a consultant's dashboard. Now that dashboard is just for business and it's different. It looks like this. When you log into it, you can see your overall leads manager, and then just these a few menus. It's the businesses, the CRM, and the people. So with this dashboard here, you are now able to get started. You'll always be seeing overall how much you've made, what leads you've put in the system, how many you've lost, how many you've won, and then how many you have today. And we're going to look at the entire process of adding a lead. Now, once you've already done that, you can now log into your dashboard, which is this one here. The next thing now you need is the database of the businesses. So we've given the process here. Just visit here and select a category. So we have several categories of businesses. When you click on that point, you'll be able to see them here. These are the categories. So select what you think is of your interest. So your mentor will always be assigned here. You're working with them, and then you'll find your name already assigned. We are going to give you two of them. So after getting your category here, the first thing you need to do is to update tech stats, how many from Kenya, and that you get through the dashboard, which is here. So you need to take the stats. So you'll just come here to the category. So let me give you an example. You are assigned a category called let me pick one of the categories, contact centers, this one here. So once you assign this, your name will be put there. So I'll just mark it here. So this is consultant. So your name will be put here. So for example, I'll be told this Alphonse is going to handle this. I'll also handle this. So I just take two or three, and then I handle this. So the first thing I need to do is to take stats of how many we have here. So how will you do that? Simply come here.